Good morning, everybody. This is For the Dashboard. We're headed out to Orange Park today on this beautiful Sunday morning. We're going to be going to a new event that's I think they're going to try to do a regular monthly cruise in at the Orange Park Mall. Don't know. We'll see how that goes. The event is called the Sunday Pitstop. Okay, I'm not the one that named it, so. But anyway, I'm gonna go check it out. It's a first time event, so I don't know how the turnout's gonna be. Maybe good, maybe bad. It may be good because it's 4th of July weekend, or it may be bad because of the same reason. We're just gonna go check it out. Maybe we'll have good luck with this car show, because we've been having some pretty rotten luck this week with car shows. But anyway, we'll go and see what we see, and we'll take some pictures, take some video. We'll always get a video. We may not get a lot of anything else, but we will get at least one video out of it. So, anyway, stay tuned.
Maybe this one won't have the shaky sound in it. Beautiful SS Chevelle. Great red leather seating, beautiful. Low profile tires. Nice racing stripes.
Yeah, I was just something about that look, like that just, it's got heritage and for the big guys, we look good. I ain't gonna lie to you. We look nice in these cars, the big guys.
Automatic transmission.
Yeah. And my dad, he's in a small car. Like, the only small car might be that's the 8.
And there's a nice looking motor. Here's one you don't see very often, a Datsun. Looks like it might be set up for racing. It's got the bars in it, racing seats. Nice little well-kept car. Definitely an oddball. Alrighty, here's another unique car or truck. Definitely old school. Love the flip-flops. Beautiful car. Great interior. Nice little Plymouth Roadrunner.
Hey guys, so we're at the Orange Park Mall. We're at the car show, cruising, whatever you want to call it, and we had quite a good turnout. For a first time event, I didn't expect it to have this many people. So yeah, definitely gonna put this one on the list to come back to a lot. Yeah, it's a good show. A lot of different stuff here today. So yeah, I hope you guys get to enjoy that. And we'll be talking about it in just a minute when we leave. So enjoy. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we just left the Orange Park Mall and the Sunday Pitstop car show, cruise-in thing. It was a really good show for the first time. I did not expect that. Didn't go in with any expectations really to begin with, but it was a pleasant surprise. A lot of different cars there, cars I hadn't seen before, cars you don't usually see at car shows. So all in all, it was a good one. I think I'm going to add it to the regular rotation going forward because they want to do it the first Sunday of every month, which I don't have anything on the first Sunday. I don't usually have anything on Sundays except for Yulee Cars and Coffee. So that works out great for me. It's another car show on another week that I can squeeze in. And it's not too far to go to it, so it's great. Anyway, so that was a good show. I really liked it. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Do all the things that make the YouTube happy, so we can keep growing and go into more shows. We're at 121 subscribers. We got to get to 500 to get to a little bit of that YouTube green, some of the good stuff. So share it around, tell your friends about it, post them, share them on Facebook, share them anywhere you want to, share them on Twitter, X. That kind of lets YouTube know that you're enjoying these videos. And I'm going to continue to try to do different videos, different things in the videos. So yeah, hopefully, we'll get some more videos going and more regular videos going. And anyway, so we'll see you on the next one.